Hello, in this video I want to show you how I achieve this beautiful looking pink eye look. So I already have my brows done, so now prime my eyes using my classic eye primer. To substitute for a pink base, I'm using my lipstick. So then I go in with this dark pink shade eyeshadow, then I apply it on my eyelid, dapping it step by step. Now to fill up the place I place the pink base. So I go in the mixture of these two colors and I apply it in my crease, gradually blending out the harsh lines made by the previous color. So these two colors, they are going to act like my transition colors. Then I go in with a more fluffy brush, not to blend the harsh line made by the two colors, now to make my eyelid more smooth and more neater. Then I go in with this peachy pink color and I apply it slightly above my crease. I applied more orange color to my crease, and after doing this I didn't like the result I was getting, so I decided to go for something brighter. Then I applied this bright pink color on my eyelid, step by step, layer by layer. While applying it, I was blending it gradually with the orange color and other transition colors on my eyelid. Then I take a more fluffy brush without any product on it and I just go over the colors on my eyelid, now to make it more smooth and nice. I'm going to line my eye using a liquid eyeliner to make a wing. I'm going to do my other eyes and apply my false lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. So guys, this is my day 1 Illusion Skin Primer. I'm going to apply it on my face, just spreading it and blending it into my skin. Then I'll go in my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 3D8 and I'll apply it on my face. Then I take my Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and I apply it under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, my chin. Then I go with my Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso and I apply it at the corners of my nose, at my cheekbones. After blending the product by pressing into my skin, I take my Banyan Banana powder and I set my under eye areas, my nose, my forehead, and also in the places I applied lighter shade of concealer. Using my face definer palette from TK Cosmetics, I contour my cheekbones, my forehead, I take the highlighter powder there and I used to dust excess powder away from my under eye, my nose, my forehead and my chin. Take my favorite highlighter and I highlight my cheeks, my cheekbones, under of my eyebrows, my nose, my chin and mouth. I like adding extra highlighter to my nose bridge, the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. Then I line my lip using a brown lip liner. Then I apply this new lipstick from Evie. And on my lips I apply a clear lip gloss just to make my lips a little bit more glossy and shiny. To finish this look, I spray my face using the Inglot's makeup fixer. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram at @pressure_100. I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye!